Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are doing another Bath & Body haul. So let's get in and let's get into the haul. All right guys, welcome back. So if you guys noticed, I did say we're doing another haul. Now, for those of you who don't know, this is like my second haul from that recent Bath & Body Works sale that they had, promotion they had, where you were getting a free wallflower, the controlled wallflower with any purchase. So this is a part of that. I ordered 2 different days because I just couldn't help myself. I wanted to get a second one just to see if these actually work. And first and foremost, if you guys haven't seen any of my videos, you guys, I made an announcement recently where I actually added a second YouTube channel to myself. And that one is going to be strictly reviewing different books that I'm reading, just because I want to share what I'm reading with you guys. And I wanted to keep that separate from the Bath & Body reviews, the skincare reviews that I do here, hair reviews. So this is strictly focused on books. So if you like videos like that, or you kind of want to go in a different direction, definitely go check out that channel, which will be in the description box below for you guys taking a look at it. All right, so back to Bath & Body. So I explained to you guys I ordered this one here because of the controlled wallflower, because I want to see if it works. So if you guys have gotten this already, I know I'm a little delayed in hauling this haul, but if you guys have used it yet, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, because obviously I have not. When I get my Bath & Body Works, no one can touch it unless I do a review on it. So it's been a little delayed for me, but yeah, let me know what you guys thought of the wallflower, if it works, does it help, does it make a difference when it's controlled? Let me know. But I had to actually get the Tropical line hand soaps also with this, because you know, it is what it is. I saw on Instagram where they were ordering the free wallflowers with like a $1.35 pocket back, but I was trying to get rewards too, so I didn't do that. But that's an idea. If they have anything like that for the future, you guys can try to see if it works for you. I see that it does work on the website when there is a promo like that. It does let you check out, so I've tested it to see, so it does work. But yeah, any other tricks like that, let us know in the comment section below. The pocket back is like $1.50, so it does let you buy that along with whatever the free promotion is. All right, so the first hand soap I have here is Island Margarita. I actually love the way that these were. These are not the foam ones, the foam hand soaps, which we normally buy. But usually what I do is if I buy the regular hand soaps here, I'll just use this to fill up whatever hand soaps we have in the house. Because we're running low and my kids are just totally running through these things. And if I keep buying regular foam hand soap, they're just gonna run me broke. So we are getting this one so we can take our time this time around. This one, okay, so the fragrance notes for this, it just says sweet, fresh squeezed lime and sea salt. So that's what that says there. And then this one we have is mango Tai Tai. And if you have any of these hand soaps, definitely let me know which one is your favorite. This one is mango nectar, sun-kissed grapefruit, and sugar cane is what we have there. And then the next one we have here is Honolulu Sun. Honolulu Sun, let me see if I can see. It says coconut, Pacific palm, and driftwood. So I'm not too sure how that smells. And then last but not least, we have Waikiki coconut, Waikiki beach coconut. And I actually just ordered the candles, so we'll be reviewing that shortly. And then we have, so the notes for this are dragon fruit, water bamboo, and coconut jasmine. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below which of these tropical scents have been your favorite. And if you haven't, go backwards and take a look. I actually reviewed the entire tropical line individually just to give you guys an idea on how those smell. So definitely let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about those and which one is your favorite, because I am super curious. And if, like I said, if you like book reviews, definitely go check out my book review channel, because that is there in the making. We'll be uploading a video shortly. I'm just going to give you guys some time to subscribe over there before, and I finish up that video before I give my full first video. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss another one. Have a good day, guys.